Hi guys, I'm outside in the garden today and we have 100% chance of rain tomorrow. So I went to Lowe's and they had the mulch on sale 4 for $10 and got 3 bags of this. And I'm going to come out here and mulch the garden real quick before the rain hits, because as you can see on one of my cucumber plants I have a little bit of powdery mildew. I already cut the leaves off for some, okay? So I'm just going to hit certain spots. I'm not going to really mulch the whole garden, and then I'll let you see how it looks. Okay.